If it's true you are what you eat, then you are definitely going to want to try my chai spiced apple crumble with yogurt cinnamon. It is amazing. So let's start with the crumble. This crumble has oats in it. Now, I'm a big fan of oats in the diet. They contain something called beta-glucan, which is brilliant for our digestive system. I'm using almond meal, and then we've got the coconut in there. All of these are beautiful, good fats. They contain protein, and as we know about protein, it's satiating, but it's very, very slow releasing. The sweet element is in the dates. So you just want to chop your dates up. And then the chai spice. Oh, these spices are just beautiful. Cardamom, cinnamon, all these aromats that are beautiful for you because they're high in anti-inflammatories. I'm going to get my hands dirty, pop that on the tray and then into the oven. Now, while the beautiful crumble is baking, I'm going to start on my apples. So I've already got a couple of apples cut up in my bowl. And the other thing I'm going to actually add is marine collagen. The benefit of having marine collagen in your diet, it builds the natural collagen that you have in your body. So it's really good for someone who might want to reduce premature aging like me as a 41-year-old. I'm wanting to maintain good skin. I have my honey, just add that little bit of sweetness, and my water. I'm going to pop this on the cooktop, probably about 10 minutes, and then we can start the layering process. Now it's time to put it all together and layer this. So I'm going to add a little bit of the yogurt, some of the apple, and a little bit of the crumble, and just keep repeating it till the glass is full.